Unraveling the colorful expression, I'm tickled pink. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a vibrant and joyful expression in the English language. I'm tickled pink. This phrase paints a picture of emotions using colors, and we're here to explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Let's brighten up your English vocabulary with this colorful expression. When someone says they're tickled pink, they're expressing a state of great delight or happiness. Imagine being so pleased that your cheeks turn pink with joy. That's the visual this phrase aims to create. It's not just about being happy. It's about being so joyously overwhelmed that it feels like a gentle, tickling sensation spreading through you, coloring your mood with shades of pink happiness. Diving into the past, the phrase, tickled pink, doesn't actually have a single, definitive origin story. However, it's widely believed to have surfaced in the early 20th century. The word, tickled, in this context refers to being pleased or delighted, while pink is often associated with health and vitality, suggesting a rosy-cheeked appearance when one is pleased. Together, they create a vivid expression that perfectly captures a high level of happiness and satisfaction. Incorporating I'm tickled pink into your daily conversations can add a touch of whimsy and vividness to your language. Here are a few examples to guide you. 1. Expressing gratitude, I'm tickled pink by your thoughtful gift. Thank you so much. 2. Sharing good news, I just heard back from the job interview, and I'm tickled pink to tell you I got the job. 3. Reacting to compliments, you're tickled pink over my homemade pie? That's so kind of you. It's a phrase best used in informal settings, perfect for sharing joyous moments with friends and family or expressing sincere gratitude. English is rich with expressions to convey happiness. Alongside, I'm tickled pink, you might encounter phrases like, over the moon, on cloud 9, or in seventh heaven. Each carries its own shade of joy, from the celestial heights of happiness to the blissful serenity of heaven. Exploring these expressions helps you express your feelings more precisely and adds color to your conversations. We hope you're now tickled pink to have learned about this charming expression. English is a language full of colorful phrases that capture the full spectrum of human emotions, and I'm tickled pink is just one example of how English speakers paint their feelings with words. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to sprinkle your conversations with these vibrant expressions. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay tickled pink with your progress.